In a small town lived a young boy named Ravi. Ravi was a dreamer. Every evening he would sit with his friends and talk endlessly about the big life he wanted to live. He would say, "One day I'll be rich. One day I'll build a company. One day I'll change my family's life." His friends listened, nodded, and sometimes even laughed. Days turned into months. Months turned into years. Ravi grew up, but his habit never changed. He kept telling his dreams to everyone, yet he never took a single step toward achieving them. One evening, Ravi's grandfather called him. The old man had lived through struggles and victories. He looked at Ravi and asked softly, "Ravi, what have you achieved so far?" Ravi smiled and said proudly, "Dadaji, I'm going to be a great businessman one day. I'll buy cars, houses, and travel the world." His grandfather listened carefully and then said something Ravi never forgot. He said, "Ravi, you remind me of a man who had a bag of seeds but never planted them. He kept showing the seeds to everyone and said, 'One day these seeds will become trees.' But since he never planted them, the seeds rotted and he remained empty-handed." These words hit Ravi like thunder. For the first time, he realized he had spent his whole life talking about dreams but never working for them. That night, Ravi couldn't sleep. He made a decision. He would change his life. The very next morning, Ravi stopped telling his dreams to people. He stopped wasting energy in words and started putting all his energy into action. Instead of talking about starting a business, he began learning new skills. Instead of dreaming of money, he started saving every rupee he could. Instead of gossiping with friends, he invested time in books, in work, in growth. His friends mocked him. "Why don't you hang out anymore? Why don't you talk about your dreams?" But Ravi stayed silent. He remembered his grandfather's words. "Seeds don't grow if you only talk about them. They grow only when you plant them and water them every day." Ravi started small, a tiny business from his room. He faced failure after failure. He lost money. He felt broken. He even thought of giving up. But every time he fell, he stood up again, stronger than before. Because this time, he was not chasing dreams with words. He was building them with action. Slowly, his hard work paid off. His small business grew. 5 years later, Ravi had built a company that gave jobs to hundreds of people. He had become the man he always dreamed of becoming. One evening, Ravi returned to the same street where he used to sit with his friends. And what did he see? They were still there, still talking about their dreams, just like they used to years ago. Ravi didn't say a word. He just parked his car, smiled at them, and walked away. Because he knew now, dreams don't need to be spoken. Dreams need to be lived. Final message. Stop telling your dreams to everyone, because dreams are not for talking, they are for doing. The world doesn't respect dreamers who only speak. It respects doers who act. So plant your seeds today, work in silence, and let your success make the noise.